Hello everyone, today we're going to be solving the first question of the 2025 CCC Senior Contest. It is called Positioning Peter's Paintings. So in this question, we're trying to figure out the minimal parameter of a wall that can fit both paintings. So this is a code in Python. First, we're going to figure out the dimensions of the wall if we place the paintings side by side. We will add the width together and take the height of whichever one's longer and then figure out the parameter. Next, we figure out the dimensions of the wall if we're stacking them. The width of the wall will be whichever one is wider, and the height of the wall will be the two heights added together. Next, we simply calculate the parameter of the wall. At the end, we just simply print whichever parameter is smaller. This is the C++ version of the code. As you can see, the Python version of the code runs flawlessly. The same goes for the C++ version. Thank you for watching.